taking this a little too hard. He was really old, Lenny. He committed suicide. What? He took his own life because he was so depressed, and I'm pretty sure it was because you hated him so much. Okay, cats do not commit suicide. Just didn't see the car coming. And I did not hate him. Don't lie, you despised him. I was upset when he used to claw my leg, and I disliked him when he pooped on my guitar. Shut up! Have some respect. Simon, I'm going to miss you so much. You had the heart of a lion and the tenderness of a lamb. Some people loathe you, dislike, loathe you. Love them. Will you miss you? Sleeping in my bed at night, watching movies with me, playing board games together. So many things. I hope you find more peace in the next life than you did in this one. I love you. Amen. Amen. Okay, I've got to get to practice, buddy, so I'll have to apologize to you. No! Apologize! I'm not apologizing to the cat, Lenny. Apologize to the cat, or I will hate you forever. Simon? I'm no good at eulogies, but I'm sorry you died. As far as cats go, I'm sure you were one of the best. I guess we had our differences of opinion on things. Namely, you crapping all over my stuff. But I forgive you. You meant a lot to my little brother here, and I wish we had been able to get to know each other better. Take care. Thank you. Yep. Now I'm going to go search for free kittens on the internet. Lenny, you need to get a girlfriend.